Hello everybody! I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. So this is your March/February video update. So my name is Dr. Daniel Page, but you can just call me Daniel or Dan. We're going to have a good time here today and hopefully you're having a wonderful day. So as you might notice, if you look at my previous update video, things have only improved since. The video, the lighting, the audio, a lot of this should hopefully sound better than it has in previous videos. Likewise, there's a whole bunch of other things I've been up to, which I'll get to in a moment. So that's mainly the most of why things have been a bit slower here on the channel. I've been working on updating and upgrading the equipment so that the educational videos will be of the quality that they sound good, they look good, and they don't waste your time. Hey, come back. Hey, where are you going? Oh. I assure you, I do not smell like a truck, but I've been told I smell like a truck. The board has said so we're going to go with that. I can test that though. So, as you can notice, I've introduced another dimension to how the camera operates. All my videos up to this point have all been static, including my previous lecture series on data structures, which of course there is a book that is available that accompanies that. So if you're looking for data structures to learn, that's one way you can do things. But aside that, look at this, look at this. Now we actually have some dynamic range on the camera, and also you can get these nice closer shots with the boards as opposed to both of them being on the scene at the same time. I find very often when I have my static videos, it doesn't keep things as lively. People want to see things move, just like if their eyes were going from the left board to the right board. I wanted to try to mimic that with the presentation and the videos. So hopefully you'll like the new way that the videos look. I got myself pretty handy. I actually built a dolly track for the dolly system. It's actually an automated dolly system that I have that operates on wheels, and I built a track for the dolly that rolls on it. I'll put a couple pictures up here, over here. So I'm really excited about that. Other things, I have not shown you the secret game project yet, but I'm going to show you a couple of graphics while I chat here. So I've been working away on some things for the secret game project. I'm going to announce that soon. I've been holding off a little bit because I've been a little bit delayed with these other projects, but at the same time, I've been also wanting to make sure I polish these graphics up a little bit so I have something to show you along with the promotional art / cover art that I want to use with the game. So I've been putting a lot of effort into these things so that when I can make that announcement, I'll be very confident that the cover art will look great accompanying that. So that should be pretty exciting. So other than that, you should expect a new some programming tutorials on the channel. So that means I'm trying to think about what it should be. I'm thinking between Java and Python. At least I think those would be appropriate starting points. I know I've been getting requests on Patreon Subscribestar for things of that nature, so I'm going to be doing that pretty soon. Why are you doing that? I don't smell like a truck, okay? Okay, fine. Okay, see, you made your point. Okay, so I've also created some new overlays. You may have seen these in my new versions of the Big O Bootcamp videos. So, new videos, Big O Bootcamp, programming tutorials, secret project, and a couple other things I'm working on, but I can't tell you too much about. So, that being said, do take a look at the links in the description. This channel and all my educational content is supported by those on Patreon, Subscribestar. I appreciate those. Those are the names you've seen in the overlay, by the way. So if you want your name to be there, or if you want to help and contribute and support free or accessible or affordable computer science educational content for everyone, I encourage you to check out those links. So I want to say thank you very much and have yourself a beautiful day. So, my name is Dan. You can just call me Daniel or Dan or Dr. Page, whatever you would like. We're pretty cool down here. Down in the down low.